Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is finally my last day of school for the whole semester. I have my last speech presentation at 12:30, so I'm gonna leave here around like 11:50 just to give myself a little bit extra time. I need to print out my speech outline this morning once I'm done getting ready. I will also practice it again, but last night was really terrible. I couldn't sleep at all. It was just one of those bad nights, but whatever. I will probably have a really good sleep tonight then, I hope. And my body is super sore from that workout that I did yesterday, the one that I showed you guys. Like, it really works like your whole body out, because when you're doing the planks and like you're on your arms a lot, all of that is like working, like your shoulder. My shoulders are sore, like everything is super sore. So I mean, I like the feeling of being sore because I know that like eventually it's just gonna, like, I'm gonna see progress. But you guys should definitely try out that workout. I'm gonna figure out what I want to eat for breakfast and start getting ready. My hair is also like in a ponytail and it's just really crazy, but this is my morning. I'm gonna send my speech outline to the printer so it can print right now. The cool thing about this printer is I can just connect like to the printer and just print it from my phone. I don't have to like turn on the computer. It's such like a long process. So easy. Our last printer was literally so bad. I don't even know what even happened to it. So I'm just gonna connect to the printer. I think that's it, yeah. Print it. And I also need to email my professor my presentation. I thought I did yesterday because I wrote him an email asking something else, but I forgot to attach it. So I need to attach it and send it. My car is literally covered in ice everywhere. Literally, just like look at this. Even my handles on the door are covered. It's just really wonderful this morning. So I'm gonna wait. Also, those are presents in the back. I'm dropping it off to my mom. But yeah, like, I don't know what's going on. It's because it was like freezing rain throughout the whole entire night. And now I have my final at 12:30, so I'm waiting for my car to warm up. And then I'm gonna put the heat defroster so that it can all melt. But like my doors are even frozen and everything is just stuck. I just hope it doesn't like not come off right away because I need to get going to go to school. I don't know. I'll let you guys know when I get there. Like a polar bear. Super warm. Starting to rain a lot, so I'm just gonna go and walk to the building where my class is. Wish me luck on my speech. Hopefully it all goes well. It's worth a lot of points, and he grades them like right away, so I'll know by the time I leave what I got on that speech, and hopefully I can finish the class with an A. I am officially done with freaking school for this semester. I'm so happy. It's such a relief and like weight off my shoulder that I just finished my speech. I got a 93.75 on this speech, so I'm really happy about that. We also handed in the packet from our critique, so I don't know what I got on that because he's gonna obviously grade it. All our grades have to be up in, I believe, 2 days, so I'll see like everything from the whole semester for all my classes. I already know some, but I'll just know everything in like my GPA, so I'll keep you guys updated with that. But I'm gonna go home now and eat some lunch, and then I need to start getting ready for the city. Getting ready for going to the city. I'm just gonna be doing my normal, what I do to get ready. If you haven't seen my holiday makeup look, that's basically what I'm doing right now, minus the red lips. But yeah, so I'm getting ready right now. We're going to the city. Originally the plan was to go see go a little bit earlier, go see the tree, eat, and then go to the basketball game at Madison Square Garden afterwards. But the weather is really bad out. It's super rainy, it's cold, so skipping that and just gonna eat here like Chipotle and then go to the game. So right now I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I just wanted to catch you guys up because I'm getting ready. I'm just wearing a black turtleneck and black jeans. I still don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. And I'm thinking of wearing my black beanie, kind of like an all black outfit. I just don't know what shoes I want to wear yet. And I want to take some pictures tonight. I was gonna do my hair like yesterday, like blow dry it and straighten it, but honestly I'm getting my hair done on Thursday, so I didn't really want to put more heat on my hair and just, you know, do it for just a day. I'm just gonna leave it. Maybe I might curl it with the curling wand on top of this. I don't know. Also, my eyebrows are really crazy, so I can't wait to also get those done on Thursday, hopefully, because they really need some help. But I'm gonna speed through this and I'll see you guys probably. I'll talk to you guys like when I'm going to eat, but I'm just gonna speed through it. The last step is going to be my perfume. This is the YSL Black Opium, and I just have the Click and Go one. It smells so freaking good. I can't wait to get like the actual bottle because I wanted to try it out. I already like the smell, but at the time I really just wanted to get this one because the bottle was a little more expensive, but I honestly think it's worth it. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put some on. Now I'm all ready to go. My eyeliner took a little bit longer today. I don't know what was up. Last time I got it like this for Thanksgiving, but this time it took me a little bit longer. So now I need to figure out what I'm gonna do for my hair and what I'm gonna wear on my feet because I have no idea, but just a little cute all black outfit, little all black moment. Just getting to Chipotle now, and I didn't finish showing you guys my finished look. I ended up just curling my hair a little bit on the ends on top of my natural hair, and I threw on my beanie because I feel like beanies look really cute if you have curls in your hair. So I'm gonna go eat Chipotle right now, kind of in a little bit of a rush, so I'll show you guys what I get from Chipotle when I get the bowl. Gotta love this angle, but I'm going to put on my Laneige lip mask, the vanilla one. It's so bomb. I got mine off of Amazon. It's a little bit cheaper than the other ones, I think, but I'm getting ready to go to bed. I just exported my footage from today so that I can wake up early tomorrow, edit it, upload it for tomorrow, and then like I have to vlog tomorrow too. But tonight was really fun going to the Knicks versus the Hawks basketball game, even though we didn't get to like go see the tree like originally planned to go before the game because it was too cold. I still had fun, and I can do that another time. And I had a really fun time and fun just vlogging today. I'm so happy to be done with school I hope you guys all finished off your semester strong, or if you're still going, I hope you finish it off strong. Next week is literally Christmas and it's crazy, but I'm gonna end off today's video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm literally like getting a sleepy voice because I'm so tired and my feet hurt from walking a lot, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already yet, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we'll fill the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing.